My name's Jessie, I work at Jack Rich's in Fakenham. I studied A-levels at college for 3 years and my original plan was to go to uni, however I decided that wasn't for me. I then applied for a job here as I work for the finance department in 3 different roles. I do accounting, payroll and HR. I was then offered to do an apprenticeship. Originally I was a bit apprehensive as I didn't know if I wanted to carry on studying. However I realised why not get another qualification under my belt? It allowed Jack Rich's to help me progress in the way that they seemed beneficial for the company. I get so much more work experience and it allows me to progress myself in different avenues. I can then understand which avenue suits me best and what way I want to take my career. Without having an apprenticeship scheme, I don't think I'd be able to do that as easily as I have. I studied 4 A-levels over 3 years at college. I had no idea what I wanted to do, so I panicked and I applied for uni. A month before I needed to leave, I backed out. With no idea what I wanted to do with my career, I applied here at Jack Rich's. Working over 3 departments and now doing an apprenticeship, I believe that I have set myself up a good career path. If you want to get in touch with Nova Training and start up an apprenticeship and fire up your career, get in touch with Nova Training.